So here is how you place a window in Edraw Max. First of all, click on the door and windows tab. You have several windows options. If you don't find the doors and windows tab here, just go to more symbols, move to floor plan, then floor plan again, and then make sure that the doors and windows is checked. When it's checked, it will appear at your workspace at the leftmost side. So I go to the doors and windows. I select the window that I want to use in my drawing. You have several window symbols. You have normal window or just a regular window, and then open window. You have a glider window, a casement window, a bay window. You have an opening, and then what? Double casement window. So whichever one represents your intent, just click, hold, and then drag to the wall that you want to place the window on. Make sure you see this red symbol like you see on my screen, and then release the left mouse button. So the window has been placed here. You can make changes to this window. If you want to change the dimension, double click and then enter the dimension that you want. When you click on the window once again, see you have this pop-up. You can change the settings. You can change whether or not to display the dimension. You can change the scale. You can change the units. You can also change the line, all the things, all the line properties for the window. You select the line. You can change the color of the line. You can change the line weight. You can change the type of line, or whether you want to see arrows in your window. You can also change the fill. As you can see, there are changes to the fill depending on what you want to do. You can use tiles to quickly make these changes. And then for your dimension here, you can make changes to the text, change the font, bolden it, or italicize. So these are some of the changes that you can do to your window. You have several window options that you can use. You can place a casement window. You can make the same changes to this. So let's say I have this window. I'll be using more of this window. I don't have to be dragging, drop, and then make these changes all over again. All I have to do is that I select this window, I right click, then I add to library. When I add to library, the window shows up in my library. I can rename it by modifying the window and say my window, for example. Now after this is done, I can just click, hold, and drag to place it at several points without having to format again and again and again. So thank you. See you soon.